Thank you for tuning in. My name is Alessandro Sartoro from Vallarta Listings. Today, I'll be sharing the key insights from third quarter 2025 real estate market update for Puerto Vallarta and Bahia de Banderas. It's important to mention all of the data I'm about to share comes directly from the official AMPI Riviera Nayarit third quarter market report created by Tesio Data Lab. Now for the general overview. In the third quarter of 2025, the real estate market stayed strong and stable. Even with higher interest rates, our region continues attracting buyers thanks to growing tourism, new infrastructure, strong demand from US and Canada buyers, and a higher quality of life. This keeps Vallarta Bahia one of the most active coastal markets in Mexico. For the active inventory, there were 2,255 properties listed for sale this quarter. That's a healthy amount of inventory across condos, homes, and luxury properties. For the price behavior, we're looking at an average price of 11 million Mexican pesos, a median price of 8.9 million Mexican pesos, and the price range from 1.5 million to 51 million Mexican pesos. And the average price per meter squared was 73,839 Mexican pesos. Prices dipped slightly after quarter two, which is normal after high season, but the market is still up over 10% year over year. What are people buying? The most active properties were condos in Versalles, Marina Vallarta, and Zona Romantica. These all have strong rental demand and high pre-construction absorption. Houses and villas were more common in zones like Bucerias, La Cruz, and Nueva Vallarta, which are popular for relocation and have larger layouts and resort-style amenities. Now, for the buyer profile, the typical buyer this quarter was around 30 and 59 years old, mostly professionals, entrepreneurs, or investors. Younger buyers prefer pre-construction. Older buyers prefer coastal or retirement homes. Gender split is almost equal. Foreign buyers, especially from the US and Canada, continue to play a major role. Now, what is the comparison between Puerto Vallarta and Bahia de Banderas? It's simple. Bahia de Banderas has an average price of 12.5 million Mexican pesos and has larger, more beachfront developments, with an annual growth of 7.8%. Puerto Vallarta, on the other hand, has an average price of 9.82 million Mexican pesos, which has a higher price per meter squared and an excellent rental ROI, with an annual growth of 7.9%. Think of it like this. Bahia has a space and a beach lifestyle. Meanwhile, Vallarta has a location, walkability, and a good rental income. Now for the quarterly trends. For quarter one, we saw an average price home of 10.8 million Mexican pesos. For quarter two, 11.7 million Mexican pesos. And for quarter three, 11.1 million Mexican pesos. This slight drop is seasonal, not a downturn. Overall appreciation is still 10.2% up annually. Now for the forecast for quarter four 2025. For the rest of the year, you can expect more activity from winter tourism, higher demand from short-term rentals, and continued growth in vertical mixed-use projects. Prices are staying stable. Now, for the strongest investment zones, I would recommend Mezcales, Flamingos, and Versalles. These areas show some of the highest ROI potential. Now for the key takes. To summarize, Vallarta Bahia is still one of Mexico's strongest real estate markets. Prices are stable, but solid long-term growth. Condos and beach areas continue to lead demand. Pre-construction performance remains strong, and foreign demand is a major driver. Now for the final message. Our region is entering a phase of steady, sustainable growth. This is a market that rewards smart buying decisions, strong locations, and long-term strategy. If you'd like a full report, neighborhood-specific insights, or personalized guidance, Vallarta Listings is here to help you.